Okay, so we have this bar handle right here to install into this solar panel frame. So you can move it up and down. But before we do that, we're gonna release all the solar panel. Doing that by just unleash this pin right here. Remove all of it.
Yeah, pull the spring pins up. Lock them into place.
And there's some back here as well.
Get the back. Spring pins up on the back side, lock them into place. Alright, we'll expand the panels. Alright. Pin into place.
And then there's this little bar right here to make them level for this two panel.
Put your guide pin in.
So this pin right here.
You got it right there.
Then whenever you're ready to push it up.
Ease it up.
Then you have this bar right here. It's gonna help lock it in place. Yeah, that pin right there, just slide it in. Just put it in.
Put your pin through. Safety pins. Lock your pin into place. It's a Carter pin. That'll just be your brace. Hold both the panels up. And take it from there.
Yeah, so for this system, you have 3 different compartments. You have this one for all the electric component stuff. All the stuff in there, that's the solar track controller. That's the 1000 watt inverter for the 120 volt output coming out to the customer. That is the battery charger for when the generator turn on, and it will turn on that battery charger, and it would charge the battery for the backup rather than the solar panel. Then you have a bunch of breakers, POR, relay, contactors, and terminal block, and that's the thermostat for the fan. And then this right here, you have a battery bank. This is a 12 volt battery bank with 28 of the 12 volt battery, 40 amp hour, so which is 1120 amp hour for the whole bank. And you have the bus bar, and then each compartment have their own fan control with this thermostat right here. And then back here is the generator, diesel generator, 5000 watt. So for this operation of this generator, you always want this throttle to be at the run position for it to work automatically with the whole system. So before you turn the system on, put that lever into the run position, and that switch right there, push it to off. That's the 2 most important part of this generator: throttle to run and that switch to off.
Labeled right here.
Yes.
Instructions.
And there's also a label. Let's just close this off. we will demonstrate how the generator will turn on later. Because right now we're just gonna show you how this solar work right now. So for this solar to charge, all you have to do is to turn on this breaker right here. And there's also a button back there at the behind that charge controller right there. Turn it on. It's really turn it on, and then it will power up the charger. And then you have also the solar breaker. You need to turn the solar breaker off before you can charge the battery, because if it's gonna cut off the power coming from the solar panel. So you turn it on, and just wait for a second, and then you will see that start charging. When it starts charging, you will see two LED lights turn on. It's the inverter and charger. That's where you know you have the 240 volt coming out of that inverter right there. So that's where you got the 240 volt coming out to the customer. Also, we have the breaker. This 120 volt breaker. That's That's power coming back from the generator. The 220 volt breaker. This is to control the 240 coming out of that inverter right there. And this inverter breaker is for this 120 volt inverter. So if you turn any of this breaker off, you're not gonna get the power coming out to here. So if you turn this breaker off, you're not gonna get 120 volt coming out. If you turn this breaker off, you're not gonna get 240 coming out. And if you turn this breaker off, the generator is not gonna charge the battery, because it couldn't out power coming into this battery charger. Also, this also have a built-in low voltage disconnector. So if the battery go down to a certain level, it will turn off the output voltage coming out of here, or it will turn off the load coming out of the battery. So it's nothing gonna turn on until the level coming back up to what we set. And we can demonstrate that, because right now they can check the level of the battery through this charger. So if you press, so there's the up and down menu, you can press it, and then it will show you what the level of the battery is, or what kind of voltage coming in or out. So right now you don't have anything coming in for AC, so it's not going to show anything on here. So right now it's PV is for the solar panel. You have 180 volt coming in, and then it produces about 5 amp of charging current. That is about 850 watt. And then it will show you the voltage of the battery, or the level. This is the level of the battery right here. So it's pretty low right now. So when it's below 40%, it will cut off it will start to turn on the generator. And when it's come below lower than 30%, it will stop the output of the voltage output right here. Because I took off the generator starter, so it's not gonna start the generator right now, but we will do it later. So this is the disconnect switch. So if you turn this on, it will turn the whole system on. All the control voltage stuff on in there is gonna turn it on. Let me turn it on right now for you. So you can see. So now it turn on. Because the voltage is pretty low right now, so it's gonna try to start the generator, but I already took it off, so it's not gonna do it right now. We will come back to it later. So after you turn that switch on, that's when you turn all the breaker on. So because the battery is below 25% right now, you're not gonna get any power coming out of here. So it's supposed to give you 240 coming out, but you're not gonna get anything out right now because the whole system already shut off. By the way, this is the thermostat to control the fan. You should lower it down. Lower it down. There you go. You can go down to here. Check the voltage coming out of here. See that this one coming out at 230, and then this right here you have 120 coming out. That's pretty much it for now for all the solar stuff. Now I'm gonna go through the generator stuff. First, you make sure that that throttle is on run, as always, and the engine start switch needs to be on the off position. And over here, I want to turn all the breaker off before I turn on the system. So I want to turn everything off right now. So what I do, I just go ahead and turn this disconnect the switch to the on position. So after you turn the switch on, the generator will turn on. Then you turn on all the breaker on there. That's for the solar tracker. So when the generator turn on, it will turn on this power tracker right here. Yeah, 120 volt coming out of that receptacle. That's when you turn on this converter. So whenever that charger turn on, the voltage is going to go really high, so it's going to come up to like 13.5, 13.4. But when you're charging with this solar charger, it's going to go up slowly, so it's going to go steady. Like if it's at 12, it's going to go up to 12.1, 12.2, 12.3. So that's when you know which one is charging, which one is not. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole thing.
You get voltage going into the breakers and out of the breakers.
So you have this one right here. It's coming out. It's coming into that. Coming out from that charger right here. It's a DC coming in. DC coming out. So you have put a plug right there. And a plug right here. Really working. Right here, this is the 230 volt coming out of this inverter right here. So it's going to be AC. We got turn everything off, you want to turn off all the breaker right here first? And then over here, we need to turn off this disconnect switch right here. That will turn off the generator. So right now everything turned off. You can just close up everything. Oh.
Let's find the keys before we lock any doors.
Yeah, go on to lock it right now, though.
Just in case I accidentally get locked. Alright, go ahead and shut it down.
And something back here, just
We got to remove these, remove the stabilizer bars. Ease it down. One step at a time, homie. One step at a time. Remove this. Replace your pins. All right, you'll undo your spring pins. Lock them into place. You already did that one over there. Slide your panel in. Go to the back side, do the same thing. Slide your panels in. Pins into place. And you should be ready for transport.